I'm John Raines. I want to take a moment today to recognize all members for your dedication and hard work during this challenging time. I want to also give everyone an update on the opening of our training centers. I understand you are making personal and professional sacrifices as critical workers on the front lines, keeping our economy and supply chains moving. I thank you for your continued courage and selflessness at a time when we need it most. Construction plays an integral role in both maintaining and developing successful communities. By putting on your work boots, hard hats, and tool belts every day, you are helping to ensure a brighter future for yourselves, your families, and your neighbors. Millwrights and carpenters play a vital role in maintaining the energy industry that supplies power to hospitals, food providers, and public safety. In Minnesota, at the Monticello and Prairie Island power plants, carpenters and millwrights are working to ensure power and energy are supplied for our most critical services. Members are working to keep infrastructure operating effectively and efficiently, so supply chains can deliver goods and services that have become even more necessary during this pandemic. Many of our highway heavy workers throughout the Regional Council are working on transportation projects that will help move supplies that are essential to all of us during these critical times. And as our hospitals and medical professionals face a surge of patients, carpenters continue to work at healthcare facilities across the Regional Council, utilizing safety protocols that prevent the spread of infection to both patients and medical staff. By using infection control risk assessment best practices, we help accommodate the rising number of new patients while protecting current patients from additional illnesses and infections. This is already happening in Wisconsin at St. Mary's Hospital, where 8 carpenters are remodeling the hospital to be able to provide the best care to patients. This is happening at many other facilities around the Regional Council as well. Your union continues to advocate for your economic security with both state and federal governments. We will not stop ensuring that you have safe work sites, financial support, and medical coverage to get you through and with your family through these difficult times. We continue to bargain contracts around the Regional Council. Despite these times, we have had successfully negotiated some of the largest increases our members have seen in places like northern Minnesota, Des Moines, and Sioux City, Iowa. We still have several to go in Wisconsin, but we anticipate reaching good settlements for all our members under each of those contracts. We also know that as a union carpenter, continuing education is important even when faced with logistical challenges. On March 30th, the Carpenters Training Institute began providing e-learning opportunities through May, including a variety of intro classes, foreman training, OSHA 30, math for the trades, ICRA, COVID training, and more. We are currently discussing the possibility of reopening our training centers beginning June 1st. Your safety remains our #1 priority, and when we reopen, we will have protocols in place with your health in mind. Reopening the training centers will require changing the way we used to do things to ensure we keep members and instructors safe by following CDC, state, and local guidelines. As we finalize details, I assure you that reopening with new safety protocols will be clearly communicated to all signatory contractors and members returning to in-person training. The necessary safety equipment will be available to everyone coming into our training centers. Your union has your back. We will always be a brotherhood today, tomorrow, and into the future. Your skills and experiences will help us all get through these unprecedented times and will help us emerge stronger than before this pandemic began. Thank you for every moment you give in support of our communities. Take pride in your contributions and know that you are the best example of what it means to be a North Central States carpenter, millwright, pile driver, floor coverer, and mill worker. Be safe and be healthy.